Hello, hello. This is the Placid Investor speaking. Today I'll be talking about one tiny little thing when it comes to the stock market. It's tiny but really big. It's the difference between traders and investor. I'm an investor. I'm not really a trader. I love risks. Risks is something I live with, but I'm not fond of trading. So what's the major difference? The major difference is as a trader, you do like day trading, swing trading, long-term, short-term trading. And as an investor, which that's my position, we buy stocks when they're low, sell them when they're high. Passive and active investors just depend when you buy into the stocks and when you are planning on selling. I Once I think I do my research on the stock, do my analysis on a particular stock, I get into the stock. Knowing if a stock is at $2 today, it will maybe be at $10.20 in the next run. So I know no matter what happens, if I'm waiting over time, a year or two, I'll make profit. Maybe 1 year, maybe 1 month, I'll make profit. But we have other investors who study the market, do stock analysis, try to get in at the right position. It can be two today and may fall to one tomorrow. So they are like, oh, we don't buy in at one today. We'll buy in at we don't buy that two today. We'll buy that one the next day. So it's a good thing. Always it rises to 20 and we all make profit. You never get jealous of someone in the market. No one's money is in the market. It's just you get in, you get out, you take what the market gives you. Traders actually play with the market. They try to study the market, do stock analysis, try to study every pattern in the market, the charts, try to read the charts and try to understand what the market, how the market will be. Very risky because no one can study it, but with probability and statistics and with AI agents and the rest, some can actually do a good strategy of getting it right. So they can actually place a trade. For day traders means their length of trading is 1 day. They get in the morning, after 1 hour they are out. They make good money. For those who win, for those who don't, make losses. We also have swing traders swinging up and down, long term and short term day traders. So that's your thing. So I am focused on investing, and I believe investing is the best start for every beginner. Trading is not really the best. You end up losing money. If you get into leveraging options and futures, you will lose money and you will get into debts. So it's not the best place to ever be as a trader. And that's a thing which most people actually get wrong and say, no, you lose all your money. I have a friend who lost money. I have a friend who did this. I have a friend is. If you don't understand how the market works, you always think the market loses money. As an investor, you never lose money till you sell the stock at hand. A stock may live from 20 to 5. That's it. You make a loss if you sell it. But if you don't sell it, you always make a gain. I'll take an example of it. IonQ. 2021, I bought IonQ at 24. I think that was $24, yeah. And that's when I started trading. I bought IonQ. I had a future that quantum computing would be something. I saw it, but then got into IonQ. Then the market crashed. IonQ dropped to, I think IonQ dropped to 10. And I panicked and I needed money at that time. I did not know about you invest what you are ready to lose or what you shouldn't be using for the short term. So I sold out. I actually dropped to around 5. 2024. Was that November 2024? Or was it June 2024? Quantum computing became a whole messy stuff. I actually rose from 5 to to 50. And I was out of the market and I was like, shit, I missed it. I missed it. Yeah, that's the thing. So I decided I'm working on 4 years, please, 5 years limit. If I will never sell anything I buy now till 5 years. So the only way you make a loss is if the company goes bankrupt. That means the company virtually loses all its money and end up declaring its bankruptcy. Then it becomes delisted. So you end up losing money. But with the research we do, with the research I do, and with my guys we do, we'll never like get into companies which lack liquidity or lack finance to the point they'll go bankrupt in the short run. And life has become so easy with the concept of AI and large language models, which you don't need to be an extremely rich fund manager or an extremely good statistician to actually be able to know the good stocks nowadays. AI makes that shit easy. Like if you get to the right AI, the right prompts to pop in, you can get good stocks. Like you can make an AI gives you analysis of stocks which will hit the market, which will give what you want to know. Like you could know the market capitalization of a stock. You try to know the probability of that stock falling out in the next 4 to 5 years. You know how much liquid cash they are holding and various things. So that assists you in becoming a good investor. So I will advise anyone watching my video, you begin as an investor, make the profit you're making in the long run, gain the experience, hit the road. If you want to go in as a trader, study the market, study the principle of stock analysis, chart, candle patterns, and the rest, and you get into trading. Good. If you make good money, good. If you're patient, you make it. So that's a Placid Investor giving you heads up. Have a nice day.